Another idea, another concept of using masking, this time uh, a bit of artistic animation, which is also quite popular. I'm going to import on stage an image, which is a floral art. It's in my folder, so you can take it later on. Right, that's the image. I will just resize it so it matches to my stage. Hold on shift and then drag so it goes proportionate. Right, this also quite widely used techniques where you will see the florals or designs like this appearing one by one nicely, as if we are drawing it. Something similar which we have done, handwriting effects. But here it's quite pretty complex because you have a lot of branches of these floral arts going through. Now what you have to do here is you can simply keep this image as a background. Because we are going to do masking, this layer will act as a background layer. Okay, new layer on top of it will have a shape, and on that layer you can use brush tool. You can use brush sizes from the toolbar. There you go. These are the brush sizes you can use. That's a shape, and that's a tiny dot, which is a brush size. I'm going to use the largest size available, and that's my floral design. Now what I'm going to do is, frame by frame, you'll actually start drawing shape on top of it. Okay, so first keyframe, I'll keep the whole drawing uh, as it is. Second keyframe, or let me just draw one spot here. Then press F6, which will add a keyframe on number 2. F6, F6. So every frame by frame, instead of erasing, we are actually drawing. Now when the branches are going, you have to keep drawing for that keyframe on both sides. So let's say I'm adding a keyframe now. When my floral design will start appearing, it will go forward as well as the branch will extend as well. So when I'm going to the next keyframe, I will draw a partial line here as well as there. Okay, again F6, keep drawing. F6, this time it will go here as well. It's quite tedious work, but end result will be beautiful. And more the keyframes, more interesting your graphics will look. Now the third, plus this. So you have to make sure at every phase you're drawing something on each drawing. That's how it goes actually. Do you see? Frame by frame, I'm actually applying paint over the graphics. And when I'll mask this shape, that's how it actually appears. Pretty simple technique, but it's quite beautiful. So once you finish the whole drawing, I'm doing it quite quick now. That's it. When you finish all of it, the layer is already masked. So when you test your movie, that's how your floral design will appear. It's too fast, but if you use more frames, it will be more smooth, more interesting.